Now we reach the final line of our generate entity function, return entity underscore ID. The return statement is Python's mechanism for sending data back from functions to the code that called them. It's like a function's way of delivering its results after completing all its work. When Python encounters this return statement, it stops function execution immediately. No code after the return statement will run. Next, it sends the value of entity ID back to whoever called this function. So if entity ID contains entity 001, that's exactly what gets returned. And then third, the function completes, and control returns to the calling code with the returned data available for use. This enables our function to be a data producer. The generate entity function does complex work. It creates entities, stores mathematical data, formats displays, and adds entries to our database. But at the end, it returns the essential identifier that other parts of our program need to reference that specific entity. When other parts of our simulator need to reference this entity, maybe to update its position or attempt communication, they'll use this returned entity ID as the lookup key. Return statements make functions useful and modular. Instead of functions just doing the work and printing results, they can produce data that becomes input for other operations, creating that powerful and interconnected program logic.